bihira talaga. Tatama ka, tapos masasakyan mo hanggang dulo. Traders who can both be right and sit tight are uncommon. Ang ating remedyo dyan ay nagpa-partial tayo. So imagine, if Bitcoin ay mauntog dyan sa trend line na yan, hindi tayo nag-TP. So if we are wrong, we might regret it. Most of the time, it is followed by a revenge trade. Or if you sold all dyan sa area na yan, you are right, but you sold early, you did not manage to sit tight, pero binenta mo lahat, pag nag-breakout yan, ang kasunod niyan usually is a revenge trade. Mag-e-entry ka na ulit ng long dyan habang binobomba, most probably, kasi mafo-FOMO ka na. So kaya yan ang ating panlaban sa FOMO, sa revenge trading. Nagpa-partial tayo. At yan ang ating Kuyang Knows for the night. Please follow and share for more.